All right, people. Yesterday, I did a video saying that I was one of the agents of the month for this December. And guess what? When I logged in into my account today, I noticed that I have been rewarded with the 100 EST, which they promise for every single agent that made it the agent of the month for this December. So I am super grateful and I am happy for this recognition. Just to reflect on what the bonus is all about, okay? And what they said about the bonus. Yeah, yesterday I used the same screen to pass on the same message, and I am using the same screen just now just to highlight the important bit, which is the December bonus on my right hand side here. Okay, each agent of the month will receive 100 EST. That is what has been given to me today, and I am very grateful to the CEO Brandon Stevenson and to the co-founder of E-Estate, Mike Hamilton, and also to the head of agents, beautiful, smart Carol. I just want to say thank you for everything you have been doing in E-Estate, for making this platform so much fun while we are making money purchasing fraction of real estate. Thank you to everybody that has made that happen to us in this platform. So this is my heartfelt gratitude as an agent of the month. Okay, part of the recognition is just to me, I don't know what to say, but I just want to say thank you. And this is my message that I want to read out to the CEO, the co-founder, and to Carol. So I am recording this video with a heart full of gratitude to express my sincerest thanks for being named Agent of the Month. Receiving this recognition from a platform as prestigious and transformative as E-Estate is truly one of the proudest moments of my career. To the CEO and co-founder, thank you for your visionary leadership. You have built a platform that doesn't just offer investment, it offers hope, stability, and a future for the investors globally. Your dedication to creating a legit, reliable, and seamless ecosystem is what makes my work as an agent so fulfilling. To Carol Peterson, our head of agents, thank you for your constant guidance, support, and high standards you set for us. This award is a reflection of the environment you have cultivated, where hard work is seen and excellence is celebrated. I also want to specifically thank you for the generous reward of 100 EST. This token of appreciation means so much more than its value. It represents the trust you place in me to represent the E-Estate brand. I am more motivated than ever to continue pushing boundaries, helping more people discover the power of passive income, and contributing to our collective mission of making real estate investment accessible to everyone. Thank you for believing in me. I am honored to be part of this incredible journey. With deepest gratitude and respect, Bright David, Agent E-Estate. So this is me saying I am grateful and I am very proud to be a member of E-Estate. Okay, this is the reward that has been received, guys. They are not just saying it, they are actually doing it, right? So this to me is something that I will forever be grateful, because the hard work is paying off, right? The hard work is paying off, and you are being recognized and rewarded for being hardworking. So, guys, thank you. This is it. It's happening. So, for those that are still sitting on the fence, this program is going really well, and I am super duper happy to be part of it. If you have not registered yet, this is the best time for you to do so. Remember, we still have Facebook community, we have Telegram community, We have TikTok community. We have Instagram community in estate. Why don't you join us and see other people, see the testimonials from other people on one or two of our social media channels? This will help you, probably motivate you, and probably make you to change your mind and begin to see reasons, begin to see the potential that estate is got for you to join today and purchase a fraction of your property and begin to earn just like every other person in this platform. So guys, I just want to say thank you to the CEO Brandon, thank you to the co-founder Mike, and thank you to the head of agent Carol. I am super duper happy and thankful, and let us keep cracking on. Let's keep the fire burning. Let's keep this platform running. So thank you guys. I will see you in my next video.